Automating business processes can significantly enhance efficiency, reduce errors, and free up valuable time. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you automate your business or brand processes. Identify and prioritize processes for automation. Evaluate your existing processes. Identify repetitive tasks, manual workflows, and areas prone to human error. Prioritize processes that can benefit the most from automation. Map the current processes. Document your current workflows. Understand the steps involved and dependencies. Visualize the flow to identify bottlenecks and areas for improvement. Set clear objectives. Define specific goals for automation. Consider factors like customer response time, order processing, and efficiency gains. Align these objectives with your overall business goals. Choose the right business process automation tools. Research and select appropriate tools. Look for solutions that fit your needs, such as workflow automation software or robotic process automation tools. Ensure seamless integration with your existing systems. Develop and test the automation solution. Design the automated process. Create workflows, triggers, and rules. Test thoroughly to ensure accuracy and reliability. Train your team. Educate your team on the new automated processes. Provide training and support. Encourage adoption and address any concerns. Implement the automation. Roll out the automated solution gradually. Monitor its impact on productivity and efficiency. Make necessary adjustments based on feedback. Monitor and optimize. Continuously track performance using key performance indicators, or KPIs. Measure success against your predefined targets. Optimize the automation as needed to achieve better results. Remember, successful automation requires a strategic approach. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to streamlining your business processes and improving overall efficiency.